सब्सक्राइब कीजिए विकी क्रिकेट चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाएं। क्रिकेट से जुड़ी हर जानकारी सबसे पहले पाएं। नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप देखना शुरू कर चुके हैं विकी क्रिकेट।
We have Shreyas Iyer, the captain of the Delhi Capitals, to address this press conference. Shreyas, how important is this win considering you've got the number 2 position in the table? I'm sure the mood must be quite high in the camp right now.
Yes, it was very essential and it has got smiles on our faces after the consecutive 4 losses. And to be honest, today the way we played, it was a comprehensive win. I think all the department were really covered up well by the players and I'm really chuffed by their performance, the way they came up and delivered at the right time. And second place, obviously, it makes you feel good after the season that you had ups and downs. But yeah, IPL is always a roller coaster journey.
Can you talk about the plans, especially against the RCB spinners, Washington Sundar and Yuzvendra Chahal, that helped you win that challenge? Also, there was Shahbaz Ahmed also who bowled quite well.
Well, obviously, if irrespective of the team you play, you've always faced challenges, and this was one of them. And they've been bowling amazing throughout the season. So, we had a plan sorted out. We knew how we were going to pace our innings and build partnerships, which was really important. And I felt that the communication was really important, and I think we nailed it today with that. And yeah, we discussed all these small points in the team meeting, and I think we executed pretty much well.
How important and useful is it to have a player of the caliber of Ajinkya Rahane in the squad who can make a difference on such wickets especially, and he came really good for you today?
Yes, definitely. He carries a lot of experience in the IPL, and the way he, paced his innings, it was really amazing to see the loose balls he punished, and other than that, he was taking singles and twos. It's a great example, and I think he peaked at the right time when we needed him right now. A few important matches coming up, and definitely he'll play an important role in the future matches.
Now, talking about the pace attack, especially Nokia produced a very important performance today. He has been amongst the wickets. He's been also a differentiating factor, molding a very good attack with KG Rabada. So how important has it been his inclusion as well as the strategizing around him? You already had Rabada earlier.
Well, it really makes my job easy, to be honest, because the way these guys plan in the team meeting, they come up with their own ideas. And for me as a captain on the field, it's pretty much easy to set the fields. I just go and ask them what you're going to bowl, and they literally nail all of the balls. So I'm really happy the way things are going so far, and the way Nokia came up and he delivered it amazingly. So yeah, really happy for him and the way he performed today.
Finally, Shreyas, you're facing an opponent who got the better of you twice in the league stage. Now, what are the plans and strategies going into that important game against the table toppers?
Well, obviously, Mumbai Indians, they are one of the best teams. Having said that, I feel that we are also a fearless and amazing bunch of boys. It really depends on the day. We'll be planning everything, and obviously they are pretty much experienced in such stages, but the team who has really good attitude and really good composure on that given day is going to make it through. And I feel that we need to keep things simple and not complicate in pressure situations. And the way we've been going, this was a really good win, and it's going to be a really good booster as well for us.
दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो मुझे सपोर्ट करने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, वीडियो को लाइक करिए और अपने क्रिकेट प्रेमी दोस्तों को इस वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए। धन्यवाद।